birdie that flew up. He's old. Jeez, eh?
What kind of bird are those?
No, that's a swallow. I don't know what those ones are. The ones that, yeah, he's an oldie. Yeah, a little oldie guy.
Oh, wait, sounds kids been crying for a while.
Kids cry all the time.